If you have ever felt like you are stepping on a brick instead of a brake pedal, you might be dealing with a P0559 code. This one is all about an intermittent problem in your brake booster pressure sensor circuit, and it is a safety issue you really should not ignore. This code pops up on everything from Fords and Nissans to Subarus and Chevrolets when the powertrain control module, or PISEM, detects a signal that is just not consistent. The whole point of this sensor is to monitor the vacuum pressure inside your power brake booster, so the car can adjust things to make sure you can stop with minimal foot pressure. When this circuit acts up, you might see your brake warning light flash while you are braking or stay on constantly, and you will definitely notice that it takes a lot more leg muscle to slow the car down. This specific intermittent code usually means there is a loose connection, a fraying wire, or a sensor that is starting to give up the ghost. Before you go out and buy a new booster, you should really check for technical service bulletins for your specific model because there might be a known software fix or a common wiring fault. Start with a solid visual check of the vacuum lines for any cracks or leaks and look closely at the sensor connector for any green corrosion or bent pins. Since this is an intermittent issue, sometimes just cleaning a dirty connector or securing a rubbing wire can fix it. If the wiring and vacuum lines look perfect, you will need to get a digital multimeter to check for proper voltage and ground. Just remember that if you find zero continuity, you have a broken circuit that needs a repair. It is a bit of a detective job, but getting that power assist back makes the car much safer and more comfortable to drive every day.